Want a sharper mind? Here are 7 fun exercises to boost your brain power.
Think your mind is sharp? Let's find out with a quick 4-minute mental workout.
Okay, first up, the Schulte Table. This one's a real test of your focus.
It's simple. Find every number, 1 through 36, in ascending order. The catch? You've only got 40 seconds. Think you can do it?
Keep at it, and you'll process info way faster and notice so much more. All right, exercise 2. This one's a fun little trick for your brain. You've got to say the color of the word out loud, not read the word. Tricky, right?
It's tough because your brain is trying to handle 2 conflicting things at once.
Okay, for number 3, we're going to take away your sight for a bit. Just close your eyes and try writing your name, or maybe draw a simple shape. Doing this actually lights up different parts of your brain, boosting your spatial memory. Moving on to exercise 4. This one really connects your brain and your body. With your right hand, make a 2 sign. You got it? Now, with your left hand, make an OK sign. Easy enough, right? The challenge? Switch them 10 times in 20 seconds. Go. This little drill really strengthens that mind-body connection. It's a game changer. Exercise 5 is super simple, but wow, it's powerful for your brain. Just try brushing your teeth or eating a meal with your non-dominant hand. This tiny change forces your brain to build totally new connections. So cool. Who says games are a waste of time? The right ones can actually make you smarter. Think strategic games like Sudoku or chess, not just mind-numbing phone games. And for our last one, give your brain a workout by putting down the tech. Try memorizing a phone number, or hey, do some simple math without a calculator. So, what's the big takeaway? These simple habits lead to some really powerful results. All right, your brain's waiting for its next level up. Which one are you trying first?